Do you often run out of your data and don't have any control on which app is eating up your data? Then this app is for you. This wonderful app from Google known as Datally will help you to understand, control and save data. Hi guys, this is Manmohan Sekhon, and before starting, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. Datally will show which app is using more data on an hourly, daily, weekly or monthly basis and get personalized recommendation on how to cut down your data usage. It also suggests nearby Wi-Fi network for you to connect along with the detail like distance and direction. Before connecting, you can see how other Datally users have rated the Wi-Fi network, and you can also rate Wi-Fi network that you were connected to. There's a big button at the top of the app that enables you to stop all the background data usage. So only the app that actively on screen can use mobile data. A chat head style bubble will also pop up to let you know how much data your currently running app is using up. You can also block data with one tap if an app data usage gets out of control. And if you don't want to block every single app from using background data, Datally will let you in and control data usage on an app-by-app basis too. Even if an app is blocked from using data, it will allow you to enable data when you open that app. Usually with an Android phone, you can manually go to setting and turn the data off. But then you would have to follow certain steps in order to enable this feature. But by using only one app called Datally, you are eliminating those extra steps and make your process much quicker and easier to remember. If you liked this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a wonderful day.